Welcome to Fix It Fast. Today we're going to be doing the tweeter upgrade in my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to be replacing the factory speakers with the DS18 Pros. I've heard good reviews about those, and a lot of people are recommending those over the Kicker tweeter upgrade, so let's get to work. First, we're going to disconnect the battery, loosen the negative terminal. I'm just going to put a couple rags here so that it doesn't accidentally make contact. You're going to take your clip tool and you're going to open this. I'm going to release this little guy here. Take a 10 mil socket and loosen this bolt. So this should just come right off now. And then it's going to pull out and then straight up. Spider webs in there. You're just going to take your trim tool. You're going to get up under here and slowly work this up. This side. And then this will have two 10 mil bolts you have to loosen as well. There's a small pin you have to push on the clip to release the harness from the speaker and it'll come right out. I'm going to be replacing the OEM speakers with these DS18 speakers here. Come with a sticker. So this will be a major upgrade from the stock. There's a DS18 speaker versus the OEM speaker. So these are just plug and play. So you're just gonna plug that right into the speaker, the harness. Not much room for your hands in this area. Reinstall your two 10 mil bolts to snug. You don't want to snap the plastic. On a side note, these speakers are for the non-JBL system. The JBL system is rated at 2 ohm and these speakers are rated at 4 ohm. Next we're going to put the cover back on. I'm going to slide it in through the top first, or the front of it first. There's two little tabs. And then you're just going to gently press it back in. Next, you're going to put your pillar cover back on. I'm going to slide it in through the front first. Put the bolt back in. You're going to repeat those same steps on the passenger side. The only difference is there's a grab handle there and you have two 10 mil bolts instead of one. I'm going to pull out and then you're going to pull up. Take a trim tool and then we're going to work this out. It's easier to start from the front actually. I'm about to eat those words because that clip right over there on the right corner is about to snap. Tell me I didn't just break that. Oh yeah. There it went. 100%. The clip that broke is circled there in red. Every time. Ah, and it's gone. Gone like the wind. I always seem to break a clip. I figured if I went with the trim tool right where that clip was, that it wouldn't have snapped. It would have been less strain on it, but apparently I was wrong. If anyone's got any tips or tricks on how to avoid snapping plastic trim pieces all the time, I'd be glad to hear it. I'm going to put the cover back on this side. Making sure to line up those two plastic clips in the front. And I'm just gonna work it in. I'm gonna put the pillar back on, starting in the front, working it down. Come back and connect the battery. Just gonna tighten that baby up to snug. That'll wrap up this install. I've actually been running the DS18s for about a week or two now. I'm very happy with the sound quality. You can hear a lot more notes and pick up on a lot of different details in songs that you couldn't hear with the factory speakers. I haven't had any issues with the plastic clip that I broke rattling, so I'm not too worried about replacing that trim piece. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button. Thank you for following. We'll see you on the next one.